Hi. I just got a really beautiful, touching testimonial from a wonderful guy named LT. Just beautiful soul, and we shared our first session together not too long ago, and we actually have another one scheduled in just a little bit. So LT was so kind to both share the testimonial as well as give me permission to share his links to his personal Facebook as well as his website where he does inspirational blogging and music. So you're welcome to check that out if you're just interested in the cool stuff he does, as well as feel free to contact him to verify that this is really a legitimate testimonial. As well as ask him about his experience, in a cuddle session with me. So yeah, thank you again so much, LT. I appreciate it. And I will read LT's testimonial now. Being single for many years, there was one simple human need that had been missing from my life: cuddling. There's nothing more rewarding than to receive a genuine, warm hug from someone, or simply just to be held when you need it the most. I was aware for many years of the Cuddle Party Workshops experiences and pretty much talked myself out of attending since I'm a shy guy when it comes to social events. However, when I recently found out that I could schedule a one-on-one session with a certified cuddle professional, I knew this is something that I would feel much more comfortable doing. I searched the Cuddlist website and browsed through many profiles, but serendipitously found Kyle's profile. I instantly resonated with his profile and his pure heart. I was still nervous in contacting Kyle and just nervous about the whole idea in general. We have been conditioned to think that cuddling usually only happens in a romantic relationship, but the idea that we as humans can share therapeutic, platonic touch through cuddling was a breath of fresh air. Before my appointment with Kyle, I did my homework. I researched, read articles, watched videos, and learned about the incredible benefits of cuddling and how it can have a huge positive impact in your life. This truly made me more prepared to experience my first appointment. My first session with Kyle was a phenomenal experience. I just want to read that again. It landed for me. My first session with Kyle was a phenomenal experience. I didn't know if I would laugh or cry. I knew 1 hour would not be enough for me, so I scheduled a full 3 hours. Kyle greeted me with a warm hug and embrace, and at that very moment, all my fear and nervousness fell away. I received so many benefits from our one session together. It was very therapeutic, healing, and even a sacred experience for me. It's something that touches you on a very deep level. Even weeks later, I still feel the benefits of that one session. Kyle, I seriously don't think I could ever thank you enough for the true gift of you. With much gratitude and appreciation, LT Turner Jr., musical artist and inspirational blogger. And remember, LT had something else that he wanted me to add. Also to add that it felt as if I was in the presence of a very dear and lifelong friend. So thank you so much, LT. Obviously really moves me. And for anyone listening, thanks for, being interested. And I hope that I get to meet you someday. I hope that you have an amazing experience in a cuddle therapy session, whether it's with me or another wonderful cuddler. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Love you guys. And thank you, LT. Love you, brother. Take care.